Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about how to fix moisture overload in low porosity natural hair. It's something that I've been struggling with for years, but I just never could pinpoint exactly what my issue was. So you may ask yourself, what is moisture overload? It's when you have too much moisture in your hair and the balance between moisture and protein is off. For some reason, I've always had an issue with my hair just feeling too soft, feeling mushy, feeling sticky, and then sometimes it just didn't feel like it was dry all the way. So what is low porosity hair? Low porosity hair is hair that has cuticles that are tightly closed, making it difficult for moisture and water to get in. So you may wonder, how do people with low porosity hair suffer from moisture overload? Well, we tend to skip out on protein and also on clarifying our hair because we think we don't need it. So the first thing I did to get rid of my moisture overload in my low porosity hair was I used a clarifying shampoo just to get rid of all of the buildup that I had on my hair that had accumulated for, I don't know, probably the last few years, because I wasn't big on using clarifying shampoo, so my hair probably just had years and years of buildup and moisture on top of it. The shampoo that I used was the Giovanni Smoothest Silk Deep Conditioning Shampoo. And I know this shampoo says that it's a moisture shampoo, but it's honestly not. It's super clarifying, and on top of that it has protein in it. So the shampoo is going to first of all get off all the buildup that you already have on your hair, and then it's going to add a little bit of protein, which will give your hair some strength. This was like my favorite shampoo when I was first learning how to get over moisture overload. I used this every week until my hair started to feel strong again. So my second step was to deep condition my hair. I completely started skipping conditioning my hair. I did so much research and I found out that half the time you don't even need to use both a conditioner and deep conditioner, because deep conditioners last for 5 to 6 days, whereas regular conditioners only last for 2 to 3 days. So if you're not gonna wash your hair for a week, it's usually best to just use a deep conditioner. I also realized that when I was using both a conditioner and deep conditioner, I was putting too much moisture on my hair, which also contributed to my moisture overload. So the deep conditioner that I used was the Briogeo Don't Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I absolutely love this deep conditioner because one, it has super moisturizing ingredients in it, and it also has protein. So this has 3 different proteins in it, but like I said, it also has a bunch of other super moisturizing ingredients in it. Don't sway your hair too far over to being over moisturized or having too much protein. It's right in the middle. I use this protein treatment every week. I don't switch between a moisturizing and a protein treatment. I only use this one, and the reason why I can use it is because, like I said, it moisturizes your hair and it also gives you protein. So the third step that I took was to style my hair, but when I was styling my hair, I started to use only products that provided moisture. So for that, I used 2 of my favorite. I'm sure if you've seen any of my other videos, you've probably seen me using these products before, but the first one that I used was Kinky-Curly Knot Today Leave-In Conditioner. And as you guys can see, I have a huge bottle that I ordered off of their website. It lasts me for I don't know, I think I've had this for 2 months already, and it's not even halfway done. So yeah, that's the first product that I used. And the second product is Kinky-Curly Curling Custard. If you've seen my videos before, you know that I absolutely love both of those products, but I'm going to be completely honest, for years I was not using those products correctly. Whenever I would do my wash and goes, they would always look great on the first day, but then after 2 or 3 days, my hair would look terrible. It would be too soft, it was mushy, I could feel it snagging, and it was just a complete mess. But the secret to using those products is you really want to make sure that you use a clarifying shampoo. That's the only way to get rid of any excessive buildup on your hair, and that's the best way to use these products on freshly washed and clean hair. If you use it on hair that already has buildup, I promise you they will not work right. So yeah, just make sure that you cleanse your hair thoroughly before using it. With my styling, I started to only use products that offered moisture on my hair. And it balances out because the two products that I used before focused on protein. So if you see the connection, first protein, then moisture. And that's what worked for my hair. That's what got my hair back balanced. And yeah, I feel like my hair is thriving, it's growing faster. I'll show you guys a picture of when I got a haircut back in July. The lady cut off a couple inches and it was just a really bad haircut, but here it is. Also, I got my hair dyed. I had it dyed for about 3 months. Like I said, I haven't been on YouTube, so you guys haven't seen me. But in the meantime, I also dyed it back black again. So yeah, I've gone through hair dye, I've gone through a bad haircut, and look at me. My hair is still growing back and is stronger than ever. So guys, here is my simple protein moisture balance curly hair routine. First, I like to start off with a clarifying shampoo. I use the shampoo that I showed you guys earlier that has protein in it. But after a few weeks of using this, you don't have to use it every week. I switch between a normal shampoo once my hair is more balanced. Then I like to go in with my deep conditioner. I add this to both sections. You guys, this deep conditioner is amazing because it's super thin, and for my low porosity hair, it easily absorbs into my hair strands. I love this stuff and I don't use it longer than 10 minutes. Next, I go in and I style. I like to add the Kinky-Curly Knot Today leave-in to both sides of my hair, and then I go in and I add my curling custard. I just wanted to let you guys know that I no longer shingle my hair because my hair is super balanced. I honestly don't really need the extra help to define my curls. So I just rake the product through, and yeah, it only takes me about 8 to 10 minutes to do my wash and goes now versus a full hour when I was doing shingling and, you know, just all the extra curl defining. Also, I shampoo my hair every 5 to 6 days. I could probably go 7 or 8 days, but I realized that to keep my hair balanced, I need to wash my hair every 5 to 6 days. That way it's either not too close to being over moisturized or not too close to being too dry and have too much protein. So yeah, I keep my wash day at every 5 to 6 days. So guys, I'm all finished styling my hair, and here's a quick picture of when I had moisture overload. My hair was mushy, too soft, and my curls didn't last past 2 days. Here's a picture of my hair on day 5. As you guys can see, my curls are still going strong, and my hair is just healthier, and it's growing so much better overall. So if you have experienced moisture overload in your natural hair journey, please let me know what you did down below to overcome that. Also, if you have any other questions or comments, please just leave them down below. I would love to have conversations with you about your natural hair. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.